Hi all you campers out there, my name is Brett Yoder with Total Value RV. Today I'll be demonstrating the new 2019 39B. It's a 2-shower, 2-bathroom. Starting with the front cap, nice auto bonded windshield here. You will get the generator slide out tray, and you will get the nice lovely diamond shield to protect. You're also going to get the diamond shield around your key lock here, and then along your handle here. So the benefit with the Forest River Berkshire, it will be a 360 horsepower Cummins. They will use Sickens automotive paint, which has a 99-year curing rate. So even the 4 times the clear coat, that's never going to fade. And then your paint underneath the clear coat will never dry up. Another feature with Berkshires, no matter the price range or the trim level, you're going to have a 1-piece fiberglass roof to help protect your roof. It's maintenance free. 4-slide coach. So with the Forest River Berkshire, what happens is they will get the raw chassis from Freightliner, and then from Freightliner MoreRide, which is a family-owned company just like Total Value RV, will come and pick them up and do all the chassis upfitting. The nice thing what Forest River does is right here. So years on out, this is aluminum. It'll never rust on you. So if you happen to trade up for a tag axle, it's going to look brand new underneath here. Where most diesels, when you open your baggage doors, you're going to find rust here, not on Berkshires. So you get a nice compartment there. Open the double door up. You got a nice MoreRide slide out tray. It'll be open on both sides. Right next to that is going to be more compartment space. And then if you look up, you're going to have the armless awning with the wind sensor, and then a nice LG TV. They don't put cheap TVs in their coaches. This is nice LG with the speakers, outdoor entertainment. Moving along, you have easy access to your water tanks here. Easy access to your in-house batteries. You got 4. Of course, you do have a battery disconnect too, so when you're storing the coach, just go right there and shut them off. Easy access to your hydraulic leveling pump. When I say easy access, it's there. It's very easy. It's not underneath the bed. It's not underneath the step well. More storage here. Okay, above this last compartment is going to be the Truma tankless system. You'll have continuous hot water, so whoever's in the shower won't complain about having cold water. Talked about in the front, but you will have a Cummins 360 with the Allison 3000, so you will have true 10,000 pound towing capacity. Of course, you have molded clearance lights up top, and then you have a backup camera as well, and then you have reverse lights. So if you want to back her up at nighttime, you're more than welcome to. Moving on the other side here. Easy access to your chassis batteries. As you can see, you have a chassis battery disconnect as well. 50-amp power. Of course, you see your Magnum Energy. That is a inverter there. Your DEF tank, you'll go about 25 to 3,000 miles on one fuel tank here. Now, with all Berkshires, no matter the price range, you're going to get the water manifold system. Unlike other manufacturers, if you ever have a water leak, you have to shut your direct source of water off. Here, if you have a shower, if you have a warm water leak in your shower, just go on outside, shut your warm water shower off, and you can still run all the water. You won't find this until you start getting to the $500,000 coaches. So it's a great system, and that's on all Berkshire trim lines. Just like the other side, you have pass-through storage here. Open up the dual side baggage doors. Of course, it does come with a mud flap. It does come with carpet that's between your cockpit seats. You got your nice propane tank with a sewer hose. That's new for 19. Dual fill. Of course, all your external amps, and like we talked about in the front, we have a generator slide out tray. So the nice thing about this generator, and it's a Onan 8000, so I have plenty of juice and more to do whatever you'd like, but you can actually stand on this generator and clean your windshield off a long trip. let's go inside. Here we are inside the 39B Forest River Berkshire, and as you can see, you can still get to, with the slides in, you can still get to your couches, you can still get to your booth dinette, still get to your kitchen, still get to your bathroom, and still get to the king size bed. Notice this king size bed is flat, so when you pastor, if he wants to go back, he or she wants to go back and take a nap, you're more than welcome to. Alright, here I am sitting in the cockpit. As you can see, you got a nice digital screen here. I believe it's 10 inches. You got radio. You do have GPS. You also have Sirius Ready radio as well. But all your controls are within fingertip length. Your step cover here, new for 19. The step cover actually comes out and goes up, so it's flush with your porcelain tile. But here, Total Value RV exclusive right here, 78 miles. No other dealership can say that. So you are buying a brand new unit with less than 100 miles. New for 19 as well is going to be this overhead bed. So if you have friends or family that come with you, they can sleep here or the couch or the booth dinette. But as you can see, it's easy access if there's ever emergency. And then you have the entertainment television here. For all you Berkshires out there, this front living room looks exactly like the 34QS, but again, just like the outside, like I was saying, there is an added bathroom, which is great. So if you do have family and friends, you can they can use the bathroom, and then you can have your personal bathroom. But you got a nice couch here, both two windows or one window on each side of the slide out, so you get cross ventilation. Directly from the couch, you're going to have a nice TV directly. You don't have to break your neck trying to watch TV. And then you have two nice windows on both sides of the TVs. You will have day shades and night shades throughout the whole coach. All your lights are going to be LED as well. And then if you pinpoint this ceiling, soft touch, okay, so that's an added insulation, and it's also easier to clean. But if you notice, you have no AC shrouds. Okay, so they're whisper quiet ACs. There is a heat pump as well on it. So speaking, if you do a lot of cold camping, you do have heat pumps that are good until about 40 degrees or above. And then you have a nice, wonderful fireplace here that does produce heat too, and it will kick you out of the coach for being so hot. Talk about your booth dinette here. You do have storage underneath the seats. And then this is a dream dinette, so when you scoot in here, you're not going to hit your legs or knees on the post. Moving back to the kitchen here, nice solid surface countertop, dual stainless steel sink. Of course, you have a residential faucet pull out. Plenty of drawer space to put whatever you want in the drawers. Now this coach does not have the oven, so you're going to have the recessed stovetop, 3-burner stainless steel, and then above that you're going to have the residential 30-inch convection microwave. You do have a max air vent in the kitchen as well into the first bathroom and the rear bathroom there. Right, the fridge, true residential with ice maker. Now, everybody's been asking me, where's the pantry on this? It's right across from the sink. Now, new for 19, they put electronic lift or electronic safety device on here. So when you are going down the road, take a sharp turn, your V-ride that's on the Freightliner will dampen most of that. But there's some cases if you put heavy goods in here, it can swing open. Well, with that electronic lock, it will automatically lock when the coach is in gear. But nice thing is you push button. And look at that, you have pass-through pantry. For Berkshire too, which is nice, you have 2 ways to operate everything on board. Precision circuits board, which you can do everything on this coach that you want. You can also download an app, which you can go outside and use, put your slides in, put your awning out, look up your sensors and everything like that, so it's great. And then you do have the AGS Magnum Energy, which is your inverter on board. That will control your fridge here. Now, going to right across the fridge, will be your first bathroom. As you can see, you have a one-piece fiberglass shower. I'm 6 foot, and I can easily do a 360 in here. You got adjustable head as well. Take a look at that blue dot. That blue dot's a shower water miser. So what happens is when you turn on your shower head, there's cold water that comes out. Well, with having that cold water, it actually recycles back into your Trumo tankless water heater. So A, you don't lose any water, and B, you don't lose any gray tank storage. So it's a great benefit. But you have plenty of room. You have medicine cabinet, vanities, put your towels, washcloths, toothpaste, toothbrush. Now from the back, the rear end of the coach, you'll have a nice king size bed here, which is Denver Serta mattress. You will have windows on both the slide outs here, so you get cross ventilation. Of course, you have plenty of cabinets or storage here. This coach you could pretty much full time in. You have plenty of storage in it. Nice nightstand to charge your cell phones or whatever you'd like to be charging. Right next to that is your wardrobe. Plenty of room to hang shirts, dresses, whatever you like done. And then right below that is a little cabinet as well. So, like I said, this is under 40 foot and you get 2 bathrooms, 2 showers, 2 bathrooms, which is great. You get another one-piece fiberglass with the water shower miser. You get more cabinetry here. Get a nice vanity or medicine cabinet here. Plenty of room to put whatever you like, toothpaste, toothbrush, hair dryers, whatever you like there. Underneath you have plenty of room too. You can put a nice small waste basket. Right by the sink is going to be your stackable washer and dryer. Plenty of room to sit on the toilet, and then above your toilet's a max air vent, which is great to get some of that warm water or warm air out. So again, thank you again for taking a look at the 2019 Forest River Berkshire 39B. My name is Brett Yoder. You can reach me anytime on my cell at 574-849-4276 or email brett@totalvaluerv.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.